Hey everyone, Christy here. I am just gonna get ready to do some studying, but before I did, I thought I would jump in here really quickly. I'm trying to organize my schedule for October, November, and December, and I wanted to find out from you if you had any interest in my running my free Shrink Your Waistline and Expand Your Mind workshop, where you get to learn more about your unique self and your unique hormone blueprint, where you get to understand why the weight loss industry has failed you and the gaps in the weight loss industry. So if ever you decide to participate in a weight loss journey again, you know exactly what to be looking for. And some free bonuses that you can come away with that will help you to release yourself of any shame, guilt, or regret that you might have from being on the weight loss, weight gain roller coaster ride. So if that's of interest to you, the typical workshop runs about 90 minutes. I can break it up into 5 different sessions if you wish. They're roughly, if I break it up, they're longer. They're about, I don't know, an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. I can run that like each day for a week. So if that's of interest to you, either 90 minutes or 5 days of a workshop, let me know. And then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and create an event, and then you can go ahead and sign up for that event. But I do need people showing up for this, okay? I'm absolutely willing to host this workshop, but I need you to participate. So if you say yes, then please do me a favor and be respectful and show up for that. And I'll give you the best of me and as much information as I possibly can to help you to, shrink your waistline and expand your mind. Anyway, here's the showing up for you. Let me know if this is something that you think that you can add into your schedule. Talk soon. Bye.